morning. My name is Elamai Gaiva, a teacher, a trainer, and a life coach. You're welcome back to our YouTube channel on Lit Up Coaching. That is LITEUP Coaching. Now, we've been discussing about commitment and how this is one of the major keys of success. For people who have been successful, they have always shown commitment. They have always been committed. So we're able to point out that there are some important things that we need to know about commitment, which is that commitment leads to success, and commitment is what makes you remain successful throughout your lifetime. In everything you find yourself, the moment you have found a way to do it, you have to be committed to replicating and keep on doing it that way or improve on it. You must not relax or relent. Okay, and then also we were able to discuss some of the things we need to be committed to, and I mentioned that you need to be committed to your relationship with God. You have to maintain a prayer life and a study life in the things of God, and with God you always have to communicate, because God is the owner of your purpose. He created you, He created your purpose, and for you to be successful you have to be committed to Him. And I also mentioned that you also have to be committed to others, committed to show love, committed to being kind, committed to prayer for others, to giving unto others. And another thing I mentioned that we have to do, or we have to be committed to, is that we must be committed to our vision. We must be committed to our vision. We must also be committed to our self-education, continuous improvement of ourself. We must also be committed to make that change. You must be ready to make that change, and also we must be committed to fail and rise again and keep all our commitments. Your word is your bond. Integrity and honesty is very difficult to come by nowadays, so you have to be committed to your word. When you say anything, you must be committed to your commitment. If you've made any commitment to anybody, you have to be committed to it. Today we will still talk about commitment, and we'll be talking about persistence as it relates to commitment. For someone to be persistent, we say that person is committed. Now you have to realize that in the road to success, you have to be persistent in everything you do. Success does not come in a day. It happens over time by you persistently repeating, by you persistently carrying out, doing those things you need to do slowly in small quantities until you see the change that is needed in your life. You have to be persistent in your dream. You cannot give up on your dream. As there's a popular saying, Rome is not made in a day, which means that it was made over time. So for you to be successful, for you to get to the pinnacle of your career, for you to get to the top of that business, you have to persistently do it. It does not come to pass in one day. You have to be persistent. I would like to tell you the story of the Chinese bamboo tree. This tree is a tree that when it is planted, the farmer has to keep watering it, giving it fertilizers, keep on taking care of it for the next 5 years. In that 5 years, the bamboo tree does not grow at all. You only see it as a small leaf out of the soil. But after that 5 years, in 5 weeks, the bamboo tree grows more than 90 feet in 5 weeks. So this tells you that if the farmer did not persistently water that bamboo tree, did not persistently take care of it, if at any given point in time he listened to the people around him and gave up, or think of it, just put yourself in the position of that farmer when he's watering it, putting fertilizer. Anybody that passes by for 5 years, you've been doing this and nothing has shown up, and you're not joking, and you're not playing with this thing. But at one point, every effort he has put into it must surely reap a benefit. And that is the same thing with our dreams. We must be committed to them and persistently persistently invest in your dreams. At first, it might seem like if you are not seeing anything from it, just like the bamboo tree, the Chinese bamboo tree. But there will come a time it will happen so fast. And you know what people will say at that time? They will be telling you, where has he been? How come he's making it? He's successful so quickly. Maybe he has been involved in some dubious acts. Maybe he has robbed someone and things like that. They will not remember the time that you persistently worked at that dream. No dream or no success comes easy. It's hard work. And you must be ready to put in that hard work for you to see success in your life. For Joseph to become the prime minister of Egypt, it took him years. He had to become a slave. He had to become a steward in the jail. He had to go to jail. But he was able to achieve that dream because he was persistent in it. When Potiphar's wife came after him, the only thing he could remember is that I still have a dream and I don't want God to be angry with me and make me lose that dream. So what did he do? He remained committed to his dream. So today I want to encourage you, be committed to your dream and persistently work at it. Keep on sowing into your dream. Keep on working at your dream. Keep on pushing in your dream. As Sun Tzu said, opportunities multiply as they are seized. So the moment you see any opportunity around you, seize it and keep working at it. And at one point, they will multiply until you become successful. So be persistent in your pursuit for your vision and your dream. Don't allow people to tell you it's not achievable. Don't allow people to tell you you cannot do it. Don't allow people to tell you there's no way for you to achieve it. I will end with this. Les Brown says something. It's not over until I win. I want you to tell yourself that today. It's not over until I win. This business is not over until I win. This job is not over until I win. This degree that I'm running after is not over until I win. This financial status I want to get to is not over until I win. Be persistent in it and you will get to the top. And I will see you at the top. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel on LITEUP Coaching, LITEUP Coaching. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and comment. What do you think? Are you persistent right now in your dreams? Are you persistent in your pursuit for success? God bless you, and I'll see you at the top.